Welcome to Arlington National Cemetery, more specifically, the Tomb of the Unknown Soldier, the Changing of the Guard. I want to take just a moment and talk about just how incredibly difficult it is to be one of these men and women walking the mat. There is a 90% failure rate. 1 out of every 10 people actually pass the test. Here we see one of the handful of women who have actually walked the mat. There have been less than 10. There are 3 parts to the test. The first part is knowledge. They have to know 17 pages worth of information, letter for letter. The second part is their uniform. They say in the beginning it takes them about 10 hours to prepare their uniform, but by the end of their time at the tomb, they can usually do it in about 5. They have 3-pound shoes, Oakleys that they wear, a rifle, and a sidearm. The third part to the test is ceremony, and that's what we're lucky enough to be able to witness here. They say it usually takes 10 to 12 months to pass the test, but the fastest anyone has accomplished this is 4 months. They change guard in the summer every half hour, the winter every hour, and at 2 o'clock in the morning when nobody's here, it's every 2 hours. Do you have what it takes to stand guard at the Tomb of the Unknown Soldier?